with the changing market, we are seeing supply and demand fundamentals shift, especially with the Class A. How is that going to affect absorption?
Yeah, so we're seeing a lot of Class A development, especially during COVID, just absorb so quickly, so lease up very quickly. So most developers will maybe have a 12 to 18 month absorption, and some of these Class A properties in DFW were absorbed in like less than 12 months. And so that really has changed the underwriting for a lot of people. But now we're seeing a little bit more of a normal market. The demand has just sort of been insatiable the last couple years in terms of demand for multifamily. And so right now, a lot of developers are having to look at that pipeline of new supply that's coming online and compare that to the rental rates that they can get on a lot of these properties, because if you have a lot of units coming on in a submarket, then that's going to impact the absorption, the concessions you have to offer, and then your lease up time. And so a lot of submarkets in DFW, it seems like everyone wants to build in the same submarkets, right? So everybody wants to build in Uptown, everyone wants to build in Las Colinas. And so when you do that, unfortunately, a lot of those properties aren't going to lease up as fast.